Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. April 1st. The easiest person to fool is yourself. Richard Feynman. The easiest person for us to lie to is ourselves because we know exactly what we want to hear. Hitting the snooze button, telling ourselves just one Girl Scout cookie, saying, I'll put the laundry away in the morning. These are the little lies that we tell ourselves, and they lead to the bigger ones that destroy careers and families. Don't lie to yourself, and you won't lie to others. This is part of excellence. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.